Wasn't sure how I wanted to start this video or how I really wanted to do it. Those frogs are loud though. Can anybody hear the frogs? I don't know if the mic's picking them up, but they're loud. Anyway, I'm a little out of breath. This property I'm walking today for the last hour is on a hill. But anyway, today was the day that I closed and signed for my first property. And there were a lot of people that were invested and interested in this whole thing I'm doing. Yeah, it's been a struggle for quite a while. And finally, I have something that belongs to my girls and I. So this video won't be too long. It's more of just an update and give the people that were interested a chance to know what's going on. And for those that wanted to follow the journey, I did make a new channel. Some new videos will be up on that around the same time frame as this one, maybe a day or two later. But I decided to start a homesteading channel. I'm going to share my whole journey of getting the land developed and everything. This is completely undeveloped property, so this is going to be a complete journey from scratch. And I plan to share the development of it and the process, everything I had to go through for those that are interested in doing similar. Home prices are ridiculous. A lot of the homes that were fixer-uppers are just ridiculous. And so I decided to go the path of buying land and doing a manufactured home. So coming this summer, I'm going to be doing a lot of outdoor content. There are plans for greenhouses, gardens, chickens, goats. It's going to be like my little mini farm and all the other shenanigans that goes with it. The channel is called Jake Gets Dirty. I took a friend's suggestion and went with it. And my mother joked that it sounded like a 70s porn. Thank you for that, Mother. Anyway, just look for the little logo that my other buddy made for me. And go check that out if you are interested. I'll have the follow-up videos of the full property tour, the plans. Plus, I'll just have all the videos coming up that will be during the process. I'll talk about all the pros and cons of going the manufactured home route and doing this, because believe me, it is a headache. There is a lot more to it. All right, so before I end this video, I made it to the top of the property, and I just want to share a quick bonus that I didn't even know about when I first saw the property. They didn't even talk about it or anything. So we're at the top of the property, and I have a water view of the river. It's not a huge view. It's not even a view I knew about. But the first time I came out here, it was so overcasted and rainy, and well, I couldn't see it at all. And they didn't have it in the listing. They didn't talk about it. This property was on the market for a long time as well. So I fell in love with this property before I ever even knew about a view. So that's just a bonus. Anyway, anybody that is interested in this journey, wants to know more about the process or just what I'm doing in particular, if you could check out the channel, give me a follow, I definitely appreciate it. Anyway, thank you everybody, and I thank everybody that has supported me all this time. Peace.